Welcome back, sports enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the captivating realm of mental performance and nutrition, the secret to unlocking an athlete's full potential. Get ready to embark on a journey filled with intriguing discoveries that can elevate your performance to unprecedented heights. So, let's dive right in. It's no secret that physical training is essential for athletes, but did you know that proper nutrition plays an equally crucial role in optimizing mental performance? Yes, indeed. The food we consume directly impacts our brain function and cognitive abilities, which can make all the difference in our athletic endeavors. Allow me to unveil some mind-blowing facts that will undoubtedly pique your curiosity. Fact number 1, omega-3 fatty acids are true brain boosters. These essential fats, abundantly found in fish, flaxseed, and walnuts, have been scientifically proven to enhance memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. So, if you want to give your brain a powerful boost, be sure to include these healthy fats in your diet and witness the remarkable impact they can have on your mental acuity. Now, let's turn our attention to a delightful treat that can be a game changer for mental performance: dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate not only satisfies your taste buds but also contains flavonoids and antioxidants that improve blood flow to the brain. The result? Enhanced concentration and heightened alertness. Remember, though, moderation is key, so indulge in this delectable treat wisely. Prepare to be amazed by this interesting fact: hydration is vital for maintaining mental sharpness. Even mild dehydration can impair cognitive function and affect your mood, hindering your performance on and off the field. Athletes, take note, always keep a water bottle nearby and ensure you stay hydrated to keep your mind operating at its peak performance level. Now, let's delve into the incredible power of complex carbohydrates. Foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provide a steady release of glucose, the brain's primary fuel source. By incorporating these complex carbs into your meals, you'll maintain stable energy levels, experience mental clarity, and sustain focus during intense training sessions or competitions. It's a win-win situation for both your body and mind. The benefits of green tea, an absolute marvel. This extraordinary beverage contains an amino acid called L-theanine, which boasts the remarkable ability to promote relaxation and enhance focus simultaneously. So, instead of reaching for sugary energy drinks that offer only temporary boosts, consider swapping them for a cup of green tea. You'll experience a natural, sustained elevation in mental performance that can truly set you apart. These insights merely scratch the surface of how nutrition can fuel your mental performance as an athlete. By optimizing your diet and making wise choices, you not only take care of your body but also nourish your mind, setting the stage for greatness. Remember, a healthy body leads to a healthy mind, and together, they can accomplish extraordinary feats. And there you have it, an exploration of the captivating relationship between mental performance and nutrition. We hope you've gained valuable insights today, empowering you to take your athletic journey to new heights. Remember to prioritize a well-balanced diet, incorporate brain-boosting foods, and stay hydrated to fuel your mind and amplify your athletic prowess. If you found this information enlightening, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And as always, we welcome your comments and questions down below. We value your input and would love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey today. Until next time, keep pushing your limits, fuel your mind, and continue to achieve greatness. Stay healthy, stay strong, and never stop pursuing your dreams.